to show you something pretty cool because today is the first day we've seen the prototype of the Humane object. And Humane is a company that's building a product that clips to your chest and projects interfaces out into the world and onto your hand. So you can project UI elements out into the real world and then actually interact with them, which is a massive breakthrough. But it actually has a deep root in a project called Sixth Sense. That's from an MIT student and a team that supported him. And I'm just going to play a little bit of this demo, of course, on a projector, which I thought was very relevant.
Here the camera is actually understanding how you're holding the paper and playing the car racing game.
Classic. Getting a little advert in there. Let's see if we can skip this. All right.
Many of you already must have thought, okay, you can browse. Yeah, of course you can browse to any.
You see how the interactions are working there.
Sort of computing on a piece of paper wherever you need it. So, but more interestingly, I'm interested that how we can take that in a more dynamic way. When I come back to my desk, I can just pinch that information back to my desktop so that I can use my full-size computer.
This is in 2009.
And why only computers? We can just play with papers. Like paper word is interesting to play with. So here I'm taking a part of a document and putting over here the second part of a.
And you can see this is kind of like multi-touch, but dynamic.
Modifying the information that I have over there. Yeah, and then I'm saying, okay, this looks nice. Let me print it out that thing. So I have a now print out of that thing, and now so the workflow is more intuitive the way that we used to do before, maybe 20 years back, rather than now switching between these two worlds.
This guy's a legend.
So as a last thought,
He's been working at Samsung ever since this demo, or for a part of the time since this demo.
our everyday objects will not only help us to get rid of the digital.
There we go. The phone demo is really pertinent.
But will also help us in some way to stay human, to be more connected to our physical world.
This work is so far ahead of its time.
Not end up being machines sitting in front of another machines. So that's all. Thank you.
There we go. We'll leave that one there. I'll include the link to that. But what just happened that's getting released tomorrow is a TED Talk from the founder of Humane, Imran Chowdhury, where he demos several things. One where it's translating your voice naturally from English to French. There was a demonstration of it giving you directions. And then he did the classic phone demo where he's holding his hand out and the phone pad is on his hand. And then you can make a call. And so all of that's going to come out tomorrow for everybody to see. But I just wanted to kind of record my immediate reaction. I didn't know that Humane was going to do this demo. They kind of dropped it last second, letting everybody know there's a TED Talk. And I think it's their way of beginning to explain to people this new medium, to not just talk about it in the abstract, but share what the actual device looks like and how it's going to function and what's going to happen. So I think this is like really cool. This is very exciting to see these developments happening. And yeah, I'm just excited to play with this object when it comes out. And I want to get on the developer preview if there is one. I'd really like to start making software for it. The idea of kind of flexible gestural interfaces that I can use back and forth between an AI and a human that happens all the time with a good microphone, a good speaker, a good projector, and a good kind of depth sensor. It just creates a whole bunch of new things to design for. But these ideas have been around for, as you can see, quite some time. This is like, it's very interesting to see the lineage of things like multi-touch that was at a TED Talk and then was in a set of products. And now Sixth Sense that was in a TED Talk and now is going to be in a set of products this year. So there's a lot happening when you take this new platform shift of AI that's readily available to anybody and start mixing it with new kinds of hardware and interaction patterns. Lots of new things to be designed, and I think it's really exciting. So right at the end of this clip, I'm going to add on the interaction with the phone that was leaked on Twitter, which I feel comfortable sharing. So yeah, all right. Bye, everyone.
Let me show you something. Invisible devices should feel so natural to use that you almost forget about their existence.
Les appareils invisibles devraient sembler si naturels à utiliser. Vous oubliez presque leur existence.
you'll note that's me and my voice speaking fluent French using an AI speech model that's part of my own AI.